Now, the next part of the agenda is the discussion or deliberation on our administrative matters. Do we have administrative matters that we will dispose of, Chairman Paduano?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We have at least important two admin matters to be discussed. The first is the letter coming from the Mercado and Associates Law Office, representing as counsel of Police Colonel Hector Guijardo, and was signed by Attorney J. Mercado, Managing Partner. Mr. Chairman, with regards to the show cause order regarding 07 November 2024 joint committee hearing, with this, Mr. Chairman, I move that we defer discussion on this letter to expedite discussion today's hearing, Mr. Chairman.
Did I get it right? Is there a motion to defer?
Yeah, to defer and discuss this matter on later part of the hearing.
There is a motion to defer discussion on the letter sent to the Quad Committee by the counsel of Colonel Grijaldo. Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Is that an objection? Any objections? Hearing none, a motion is approved.
Second, Mr. Chairman, is the letters that was sent to us during the previous hearing by Attorney Delgra, representing as counsel the former president. And with that, Mr. Chairman, before I discuss this admin matter, may I ask Attorney Delgra, are you the counsel of the former president or a witness or a resource person to today's hearing? Because I do believe that you have received the postponement. I do believe that you have... Attorney Delgra, please listen. I do believe that you have received the postponement invitation for you.
If I may?
Did you receive the invitation?
We did, Your Honor.
Then you also received the postponement.
We did, Your Honor.
So now, let me ask you, are you counsel of the former president now, today?
I come here both as counsel of the former president as well as a resource person because I received a letter of invitation to appear before this committee
So
to explain
both,
the circumstances of the two letters that we sent to this committee. I suppose that was the premise of the Quads Committee's invitation to me to appear.
That is correct. If I may, Your Honor, we have invited Attorney Delgra as our resource person because during the last hearing, there was a motion from Congressman Adyong to invite him, Congressman Flores and Congressman Adyong, to invite Attorney Delgra to discuss the contents of the letter he sent in behalf of the former president. And that is the reason why we sent an invite to Attorney Delgra, Your Honor. And at the same time, he is likewise appearing today as the counsel to the former president. He is also a resource person.
Mr. Chairman, I think the reason why we invited Attorney Delgra was to enter his appearance as a counsel. And we never invited him as a resource person.
We will ask Attorney Delgra to enter his appearance.
Can we check the letter that we have?
Your Honors, if I may, we will ask the lawyers and the invited resource persons to appearing in behalf of the former president today as his counsel to enter their appearance before the Quad Committee. And we will get to that later on after we dispose of the administrative matters that we have at the moment. So, Congressman Paduano.
So with that, Mr. Chairman, discussion with regards to admin matters on the letter sent to us by Attorney Delgra, since he's also a resource person, we will discuss this during the turn of Attorney Delgra, Mr. Chairman. But before we proceed, Mr. Chairman, let me ask lang po, on record, for the record lang po, for the former president, do you confirm, sir, that we received a letter coming from you, signed by you, granting authority to Attorney Delgra as your counsel? Just for the record po.
Your Honor, you are correct.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you,
well,
Mr. President.
okay,
Former President, that's only my question.
We're talking about lawyers. I have two additional lawyers.
Okay, let them...
Attorney Belio and Attorney Panelo.
So let them have their entry.
So that
if they will recognize with the chairman. Thank you, Mr. President, for that answer. Thank you po.
We will now ask the lawyers of the former president to enter their appearance before the Quad Committee before we proceed with the committee proper. Attorney Delgra and Attorney Panelo, please enter your appearance.
Yes.
Attorney Delgra. And
Yan. Yan.
Your Honors, entering my appearance as counsel for former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Your Honor.
okay, thank you.
Good morning, Your Honors. Respectfully appearing as counsel for the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Okay, thank you, Attorney Panelo. Please proceed, Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, since Attorney Delgra is also a resource person, so I will just ask the admin matters during the turn of Attorney Delgra.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. Now, we would like to ask our resource persons to please take their oaths before we proceed with the committee proper. I have here a list of the names of the members who want or who wish to propound questions later on to our resource persons. So, but before that, may we ask our resource persons to please take their oath before the committee. Comsec, please administer the oath.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. All those resource persons who are attending this hearing for the first time. So, we would like to request the former president to please stand, and Attorney Delgra and nanays who are here. Hindi pa kayo naka-oath na. Yung hindi pa naka-oath,
Yung pong hindi pa po nakakapag-oath, pwede pong tumayo tayo at mag-oath po tayo. Comsec, please proceed.
okay. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this congressional inquiry, so God may help you? They said in the affirmative, sir. The oath has been administered.
Thank you very much to our resource persons. Thank you very much, Comsec. Now we will proceed now with the interpellations. I have here a list of names of the members who wish to ask questions. The first to follow the tradition of the House, where we give the first crack of asking questions, is from the member of the minority. Congressman Arlene Brosas, you are now recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Magandang